everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Faye and I make videos about my love for handbags, fashion, beauty and my life here in Stockholm. And for today's video I'm going to go through what's in my bag before heading out for a brunch with my boyfriend. And I want to share what I normally carry in my Chanel bag. This one here at the moment. Some of my everyday essentials and a few luxury must-haves that I cannot leave the house without. So let's get into it. First off, let's just appreciate this bag for a moment. This Chanel top-handled bag is actually my very first Chanel bag, and to be honest, it gives me a bit of a vintage vibe. It's timeless, elegant, and it's perfect during fall and winter due to this thick chains. And during the spring and summer, I usually add a twilly or mitza on the top handle to add that extra pop of color and playfulness during the lighter season. So for instance, I would use this one. This I actually got from Hermes earlier this last year. And I think it fits perfectly to this handle. I won't put it on now, but you get the idea. And this bag has a mid compartment, as you can see, just like the trendy CC original size. And I would say that this makes the bag fit a little bit less due to the mid one here. Nevertheless, it helps the bag stay organized, which I kind of enjoy. So I realized that I wanted to put down the camera a little bit so that you guys can see what's actually here in my bag. Otherwise I have to lift it up and so on. But let's start with my first item. This is my sunglasses. And those of you who have followed me along for a while know that in my first ever vlog I did a spring haul where I bought these sunglasses, and I must say that I really think that these are worth it, even though the price tag were a bit high when buying them. But I actually went to Chanel and got them tightened so that they wouldn't loosen up after a while, and actually staying much better than before. So really like these and have used them quite a bit during the spring, summer season, and now even during the early fall. Next item is my wallet. So basically this card holder is the first thing that I grab when I go out of the house, and this is a Goyard card holder, and I love how compact it is and how it fits my essentials with all the cards, even though I actually don't need this many cards, to be honest. But I'm actually starting to look for a newer one which could be tighter, because this one has loosened up a little bit due to all the cards that I have in this wallet. So I'm thinking of changing up to newer one, and hopefully also one which can fit a little bit of cash. I have actually looked at a few options, those that could work with a little bit of cash and coins inside as well, and that is actually the Hermes Calvi Duo wallet, which I've seen in many really nice colors, and I will insert a picture here so that you get what I mean. You can actually open a small flap inside this wallet, which you can put in small coins and so on, and I think that would be really handy if I travel and need a little bit of place where I can put receipts and so on. Next thing I want to share is of course my keys. I use this adorable longchamp pouch that I got earlier this fall. It's very nice, light and cute, and keeps my keys from scratching the inside of all my bags actually. It is unfortunately a little bit inconvenient to open and close all the time, because I use it a lot when I go down to the garage at my house or at my work, and I just find it so inconvenient to have to open and close this flap and drag that every time I want to bring out my keys. And I guess it still needs to find one that works for me, but meanwhile I guess this is good enough. And by the way, for my keys, I always have AirTag with me. It's really, really good that if you use an Apple devices. And yeah, next is this pouch that I usually bring some loose stuff, and I usually keep some lipsticks and lip liners in here. And now I also see that I forgot to take out some of my receipts and our passport when I went to the visa center yesterday. We are actually going, me and my boyfriend, to Shanghai and Seoul in a couple of weeks. So I just got back with our visa to China, and it was honestly a pain to get these out because it took us several hours to fill out all the forms, and then the print machine broke down, so we had to wait until that one was fixed before we could get out all of the documents, because they needed to have everything printed out and signed. Yeah, really happy that we finally got these in time. Back to my lip products. I'm currently now having 2 lipsticks with me all the time, and they are for different occasions, and then 1 lip liner which is a bit darker but fits really well with both of these lipsticks. The lip liner is from YSL, and it's in the shade Prune, and it's a bit darker burgundy red, but it actually fits really well with both these lipsticks. And the first one I want to show is basically my Lips But Better everyday lipstick, and it's in the shade Pillow Talk 2, and it's actually a little bit darker and more pink or brownish than the original Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. The original one looks really pale on me, and I look almost dead wearing it. So this number 2 Pillow Talk medium suits me much better. And then my second lipstick here is from Tom Ford. It's a mini size as well, which I received last time when I purchased eyeshadow palette from Tom Ford, I believe. And this one, you see, is a lot more true red, and it's the perfect fall red color, which I really love, because once I wear this, I'm looking so much more put together. And for those days when I don't wear a lot of makeup or am in a rush, wearing this lipstick just makes the whole look, and I look much more sophisticated and put together. Next thing here is actually a hand cream, and I'm all about keeping my hands soft, especially with all the hand washing we do these days. And I love this Chanel one because it's so rich, and your hands doesn't feel greasy after using it, and it smells divine. And the best thing with this packaging is that it's just very easy to put in any bag without any corners or so of the hand cream scratch the inside of the bag. I love this and will always repurchase this hand cream for sure. It's one of my holy grail. And of course I got a little hand sanitizer too. This one is so convenient from Aesop. It's a spray, and I just love how it sprays out evenly on the hands, and I mean, it spreads in a very big area, which I like, because some doesn't. And also the hands and skin doesn't feel dehydrated while using these, which I also really enjoy. Yeah, but just keep in mind that when you spray, keep your bag far away, because if alcohol gets onto the leather, it will make a really ugly mark, which is almost impossible to remove. So keep that in mind. And finally, I always keep a small perfume with me, and currently I wear this Jo Malone perfume from Oud Bergamot, and I just enjoy this scent so much. It combines very nicely with any other of my perfumes. A very nice fall scent, which I really enjoy. So this one I actually got from a big kit with 7 or 8 different scents, and this one was my absolute favorite out of their black cologne intense line. So that's everything in my Chanel reflect bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this little peek into my everyday essentials. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not already. It really helps my channel to grow and lets me keep sharing more fun content with you. Also, please let me know in the comments if you like to see more what's in my bag videos, or if you have any special requests. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!